Good morning, children. Good morning to you, and how do you do? Walk a doodle doo doo doo. Good morning to you, and how do you do? Walk a doodle doo doo doo. Hope you all are keeping well. Today we start our class with a story. Yes, children, our today's topic is my family. Are you excited? Let's start. One day, Jerry went for a walk in the jungle with his family. That time he saw a long line of ants marching their way. Jerry watched. They all were crossing the path one by one. But when he looked up, his mother, father, and sister were gone. He started crying. And he told Mickey, where were his mother and father? Please call them. Mickey told him that they were nearby to us. He went to the jungle and he saw some animals. And he found his mother, father, and sister. He got very happy. He ran away and hugged them. Children, this is Jerry's happy family. We all live at home with mommy, daddy, and sometimes with our grandparents. Some of us have a brother or a sister. It calls our family. Family is very important. Let's meet with the John's family. Let's meet with his family member. This is his grandfather. And this is his grandmother. His father, his mother, and his sister. A grandfather, a grandmother, father, mother, and with 2 children makes a big family. Let's meet with the Ami's family. This is her father, her mother, and her brother. A father, mother, with 2 children makes a small family. Children, do you know how can we make our family happy? Yes, by sharing work with mother and father, by helping elders, by helping each other, by learning and growing together. We should respect our elders and obey their orders. I love my family a lot. I know you also love your family. Then, stick your family member's photo on the page 111 in your Pulse textbook. Children, we have already learnt about good habits. Today we will learn about some good manners. I want to share you some golden words with you. Let's start. The first word is thank you. When someone gives you something, say thank you. My brother shares sandwich with me and I says, thank you, brother. Mother cooks delicious food for us. Say, thank you, mother. When you ask for something, say please. Please, John, can you give me a candy? Ask your mother to help you. Mom, please can you help me? When someone gets hurt from you, say sorry. Here, a little girl hurt that uncle. So a little girl says,
I'm sorry, uncle.
by mistake, a little boy hurt another boy. He says, I'm sorry. Excuse me. When you interrupt someone in a respectful manner, say, excuse me. Here, two persons are talking with each other. A boy wants to join them. So he says, excuse me, may I talk with you? Welcome. When someone says thank you, you can say welcome. Here, Raju wishes her mother with a card. Mom says, thank you, Raju. Raju replies, welcome, my dear mother.
Children, do you know everyone loves a polite kid? So use these golden words in your daily life.
Which golden words we learned today? Let's revise.
Thank you. Please. Sorry. Excuse me. Welcome.
Today we are going to revise jingles. I like thin things. I like fat. I like this one. I like that. Let's do another one. I like this one. I like that. This is thin. That is fat. Bye bye, my dear students. Have a nice day.